Recently, one of our viewers, Arlington V, I believe, posted a comment on our video, what will a new roof cost in 2022? We're gonna link to that right up here. And Arlington wanted to know, would you encourage installing shingles on top of existing shingles? And the simple answer is no.
No!
But let me give you my 3 reasons why I would not ever encourage installing shingles on top of existing shingles. So reason number 1 is, in most cases, you're probably not going to have any kind of a manufacturer's warranty from the shingle manufacturer if you don't strip everything off all the way down to the wood so that you can inspect the deck to find out what's happening underneath the shingles that are currently there. So here's reason number 2 why I would never encourage a roof over, putting shingles over existing shingles. Since most building code derives from manufacturers' requirements and specs, most jurisdictions are going to require by code that you strip all the materials off all the way down to the roof deck before you start putting on the underlayment and the new shingles. So reason number 2 is because it's going to be code in most places. Reason number 3 that I would never encourage installing shingles on top of existing shingles, you can kind of see it on this house right behind me here. So you can see there's a lot of bad wood on this. So the 3rd reason is for the roofer's workmanship warranty. If you think about it like this, if your roofer were to install new shingles on top of your existing shingles, and that's what your wood looked like underneath, you're probably going to end up with more problems in the future. So as a roofer, wouldn't you want to know what's going on underneath the existing shingles before you install a new roof, before you try to give a warranty to a homeowner on a new roof? Because what's going to happen if you install shingles over the top of shingles on a roof like this? You're going to get called back, what, 3 months, 6 months, maybe a year and a half, 2 years later? If you've got a workmanship warranty and you put shingles on top of wood decking like that, and this homeowner has a leak, well, at a minimum, you're going to end up having to do the repair for free when you could have dealt with it right up front. And in a worst case scenario, you're going to have to do the whole roof all over again. All right, so those are my 3 reasons for why I would never encourage a roof over, meaning putting shingles on top of existing shingles. So Arlington V, I hope that answers your question. But if you live in the Colorado Springs area and you want to talk about your roof, give us a call at our office phone number right up here, 719-433-6991. You can also visit our website. That's right down here, homesteadroofingcolorado.com, where we've got a ton of information out there, all of it educational for you. Also, if you like this video, give us the big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon up there so that way you get notified when we've got new videos. And until our next video, I'm Tracy Bookman, owner of Homestead Roofing.